Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
I mean, good. I'm just kind of stressed on all the material we had to learn this week, all about like wood and conventional lumber. It's a lot of material.
Me too. I'm glad that we were able to find this Kahoot though that goes over these important things that we learned this week.
Yeah, let's do it together, learn more.
Great. I'm gonna share my screen and so we can play it. Okay, what is this framing called? Okay, so it has. I see the floor slabs are not continuous with the stud.
I
So
believe
that's.
platform framing would be the best answer because the stud is horizontally flush.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's good. Okay.
I didn't answer. It's all good.
Okay, another framing. This is helpful. Okay, so now this one is all the way connected through all stories, and that's the balloon framing, right?
Yeah, balloon framing would be the
Okay.
best answer for that.
Oh, there we go.
Which type of framing is harder to build?
Oh, I think I remember her saying that for the balloon framing, you have to get the measurements, and it has a very intricate way of connecting the floor slabs to the studs. So I think it's the balloon.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're right. Because there's a lot of connections required for that to work at the wall.
okay. In the case of a fire, which framing is more dangerous? Why?
Well, based on the images, platform framing wouldn't be dangerous because the fire would stop at the post there. So I believe,
Oh,
yeah, it would be balloon framing.
oh, yep, because it happens within the wall. Okay. What are the disadvantages of dimensional lumber in ice?
Anisotropic, it's dimensionally
Mhm.
unstable and limited to shapes. Should be,
Oh, these are all true.
yeah, they're all true.
So this is about the wood grain because the wood grain refers to the strength and the way that the wood works, as well as the amount of moisture in it. So I think it's all of the above again.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, great. What is this?
Oh, so it's one of those things that holds the wooden members in place in case of like earthquake and seismic places.
Activities? Yeah, I think that's the hold down, right?
Yeah, it makes sense with the name of it too. Hold down.
Yes. Okay. What type of engineered wood is it? Okay, so it looks like a bunch of pieces that are connected, glued together, right?
Mhm. So
Hmm.
since they're all glued together, I feel like it would be glue lam. So it's glue laminated timber. So everything's
Oh
just
yeah.
glued together.
Yes.
How wide is plywood?
Oh, this is so funny. In lecture, she was talking about this, how they have to divide the plywood to use the plywood dimensions as a means to space the studs so that it's actually holding it up.
Mm.
But what was it?
I know they use inches for measurements, and it's 4 feet, so it's 48 inches.
Oh, yep.
There you go. Type of
Okay, another engineered wood.
yeah.
Hmm. I
I know
think
it's not
this is, yeah, it
OSB.
has to be, oh, yes, the oriented strand board. Nice. I mean, we're ready for this final interview.
Yeah, can't wait.
Okay, so this kind of looks like the first one where it's different pieces glued together, but it's much, much wider.
You notice how the grain crosses the whole
Oh, yeah.
cross laminated timber.
Yes. Oh, I remember this one. Yes, it has to do, the shape of it is a clue.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes an eye shape, so it's an eye joist.
Yes. What is this? Okay, what is what? Oh my gosh. Okay. So
Okay.
this is a platform framing, and it's showing this element. So it's not a hold down.
Yeah.
It's not a stud.
Not a joist, so it must be a mud still. Because it's near the mud, so.
That's one way to remember it. What is this method of resisting lateral forces?
Well, we can cross off hold down and eye joist because it's not pictured there. And it looks like.
But I remember that the nailing pattern does matter in this, but that's not what it's showing, so.
Sheer wall it is.
Yeah. Okay, great. Oh, we're at the last one. What are the beams of the wood intervention center made with? Oh, isn't this that 8-story high building made completely out of wood?
Oh yeah, that fully timber 8-story center. That's really neat.
It seems like it's some type of engineered.
Laminated. Oh no, it's cross-laminated timber. Okay.
Well, we got that one at the very end. That's okay. Well, yeah, I think that was all of it. Thanks for studying together.
Yeah, thank you. I learned a lot. Just those images alone would be enough to remember the terms.
Same here.
Yeah, great. Oh. This
is so bad. Okay, let's. Yes, you ask. Do you want to go over it, and then I'll be like, yes, I have a Kahoot.
Oh, so I asked you if you have any study materials, and then you bring up the Kahoot. How should we study for this?
No, I have to ask this time because you have Kahoot. Okay, wait, sorry, one more time. I'm counting time. Okay. Can you see it? Oh, it's showing.
Yeah. Oh wait, where's the clock?
That's good. That's the end of it. You can stop recording. That's all I wanted me.